Okay, so this video is intended to show you how to use Makerbot CloudPrint. CloudPrint is an account that should allow you, once you've designed 3D parts, you can then take your designs and send them to an actual 3D printer and get the physical part out. So here's how it works. You go to makerbot.com, 3D printers / CloudPrint. And it should bring you to this page right here, and you're going to say use CloudPrint now. And if you click on use CloudPrint now, it's going to open up this other page. And if you don't have an account, you're going to click on sign in, and you're going to be looking at what I'm looking at right now. Sign in right there. And if you are at a school, you may want to try to use a personal email, because sometimes schools filters stop the confirmation email from getting to you. So give it a try. They're going to ask for some information here, so I don't know if they really need to know your real information. I'm not sure I recommend giving their actual birth date and stuff, but anyway, so I did that, create account. It's going to send an email to the email address that you used, which here is mine. I have to go check that and see whether or not that the email got sent. You click and verify that the email is correct. At that point, you should be able to sign into your account and use it. So good luck.